Hello, am I audible to all of you? Please mention in the chat whether the audio and video is clear. Welcome all of you to the second lecture in the set General Aptitude question series. This is a lecture series which is equally useful for all set aspirants who is preparing for set exams for any state. The questions are common. I mean, the type of question and difficulty level all are almost the same itself. And also the series is equally useful for UGC NET exam General Aptitude section also, because that also follows the same pattern as the set General Aptitude. And for CSIR NET, the pattern is little different, but this will serve as a practice session. So please make sure that you invite your friends also to this lecture so that more people can be part of this lecture. Your friends also to this lecture. So welcome all of you. Good morning one and everyone. The audio and video is perfect, I guess. So let's start. The first 1 or 2 minutes I'll give you an introduction, and by that time please let your friends know about this lecture. Share this link to them. They can watch it as a recording or live as per their convenience. And if you want more free classes like this, you can be part of the Unacademy free platform. These are the advantages of Unacademy free platform. Just download the mobile application Unacademy and search the name Christy Varghese. You will be able to find my profile with more than 300 free classes on CSIR NET and GATE General Aptitude, DBT General Aptitude, Vedic Mathematics, Set General Aptitude. Many topics you can see, many lectures. And tomorrow 11 a.m. the lecture will be there in the Unacademy special class platform. Free lecture will be there at 11 a.m. that will be discussing set General Aptitude, more questions. Yes, Hina, this session is useful for West Bengal set, Maharashtra set and all other state level set exams. The Maharashtra set exam is coming in 2 weeks. So that is why we immediately started this series in the special class platform and in the YouTube channel of Unacademy, so that those people who are preparing for the upcoming exams, it will be beneficial. And one more thing, if you want preparation help for GATE General Aptitude also, currently there is a course running at 8:30 a.m. in the Plus platform. And CSIR NET General Aptitude, every month there is a new course I am starting for General Aptitude section for CSIR NET exam. Currently that CSIR NET course is at 2:30 p.m. That course also you can be part of. Both these courses you can be part of by taking Unacademy Plus subscription. With a single subscription of Plus, you can access all the courses of all the educators. This is how you can take Unacademy Plus subscription. And currently Unacademy is offering a very special offer just for 4 days, that 25% off you will get if you are using the referral code CC10, almost 25%. CC10 or CC10 live you can use to get this 25% discount. This is valid only till 17 September for 6 month, 12 month and 24 month subscription. And you can access not only my courses, you can access all the courses of all the educators, subject educators and General Aptitude educators by a single subscription of Plus with this pricing. And the pricing of this 3-month subscription is increasing in 1 or 2 weeks. Yeah, it is not announced when it will be increasing. Anyway, it will be increasing very soon. For example, if you are going for a 6-month subscription, currently this is not the price. If you apply the referral code, you will get again a 15% discount on this 10,000 amount, and you can access all the courses of all the educators in the category by a single subscription of Plus. These are some of my other courses I have already given. 35 courses I have already given in the Plus platform. All of them you can access as recording, and the current live courses also you can access as live as per your convenience. Okay, so that is the introduction. So let's start the first question. West Bengal set, 1 or 2 more questions we haven't discussed. We will discuss that first. Try this question, all of you. All of you make a try. One minute for trying. Please try it and post your answers in the chat. It's a very simple question, just to make you understand the question. Understanding the question is the only difficult part. If you understood the question, the solution is so simple. It is just observation, nothing else. Very good. Some of you already got the answer right. Wonderful. So I'll explain. Very simple question, right? So let's see how we can fasten the solution. The speed, how to increase. How many 4s are there in the following number sequence which are immediately preceded by 9? Preceded means the number before should be 9. That means 9 after that 4 should come, but not immediately followed by an even number. Not immediately followed by an even number means the next number after 4 should not be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. That are the even digits now. So definitely it can be any of the odd number. Odd number it can be. So the question is asking how many such combinations of 9 for odd number is there. Now I think if anyone had doubt, now it is clear, I guess, what the question is asking. Preceded, followed, all are clear now. So 9 for 5, this is acceptable. Why? 9 preceding, 5 is an odd number, not an even number. So that is clear. Now is this okay? 9 for 2, not okay, because 2 is an even number. So that is not okay. 9 for 3 is there. Is that okay? Yes, because 3 is an odd number, 9 before 4. So this is valid. 9 for 1, is it okay? Yes, that is also okay, because 9 before, odd number after. So 9 for odd number combinations, there are 3 in number. So 3 is the answer. Very simple question. No? This was asked in 2020 question paper. If so, let's go to the next question. Can you try this, all of you? So very interesting question, easy also. Very good. Some of you already got it. Three squares are drawn as follows. From the above figure, find the missing values in the middle of the square and choose the correct answer from the following. So, some of you I think may have guessed what is the correct answer. And I will tell you what is the significance of this. This is the area covered by this triangle you can consider. So this is another identical triangle. So another triangle with 3 area itself. That means these two triangles will make a square with area 3 plus 3, 6. Are you understanding? That is why another identical square will have area 6, another identical square will have area 6. And other interpretations are also correct. One area is 6, one square area is 6 means 1, 2 and 3 square will make 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, 18, and 9 plus 9 is also 18. Are you all understanding? What I am trying to convey is, it is not a sequence pattern only. It is not like because this 9 plus 3, 9 plus 3 is 12. 9 plus 3, 9 plus 3 is 12. So this square also, upper diagonal should be 12, lower diagonal sum should be 12. That is correct, but that does not addresses the concept of area there. Are you understanding? So the concept of area should also be clear, so that if any more complicated versions of this question come, you can do the same. What is written here is the corresponding area of the region that the number is occupying. By that pattern we are saying these two should be 6. That is the logic. So 6 is the answer. If that is clear, try this coding decoding problem. Any answers? Some of you got A option, some of you got D option. Let's see which is correct. Okay, then I will explain. So here M-A-S-H-I-N-E, the word machine, these letters, if you write the number equivalent of it in the English alphabets, it will be easy to understand. Like A is 1, B is 2, up to Z is 26. According to that order, A is the first letter, C is the third letter, E is the fifth letter, and M, if you count, you will get M-N-O, that is the 13th letter. This will be 13th letter. H is the 8th letter in English alphabet, I is the 9th letter in English alphabet, N is the 14th letter in English alphabet. For that there is a code you can remember, EJOT code, to correspond number equivalent of letters. EJOT code is nothing but the multiples of 5 letters in English alphabet. 5th letter, 10th letter, 15th letter, 20th letter, 25th letter. So if you remember this, if you want to count till N, if you know O is 15, N O, so N is 14. You can save more time, that's all. Now if you correspond it with the given sequence, 13 is written as 19, 1 is written as 7, 3 is written as 9, 8 is written as 14. I think all of you are realizing the pattern now. 6 is added, na? 6 is added. So 6 added is the code that we have to form. So same way, D is the 4th letter, A is the first letter, N is the 14th letter, G is the 7th letter, E is the 5th letter, R is the 18th letter. So 6 added, 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 itself finishes the question. Only option with 10 in the first position is D. So you can finish the question right away. No need to waste more time. Priyanka, yeah, we did by adding 6 only, nothing else. But I'm explaining it by converting it into numbers so that everyone will understand it. 6 added is what we are doing. Is that clear to all of you? And elimination, if you do, you can get faster answer. Then try this numbers problem. Happy to see that more new students have joined today's class, and thank you all who have invited more of your friends to this lecture and making this class more lively and active. And if any of your friends could not attend it live, share this video link to them and let them also watch this, especially if they are preparing for any state level set exams. This will be highly useful, and for CSIR and GATE exam practice also these questions are useful. Here you have to combine the first sentence and second sentence. The first number to second number ratio is 2:3. So I will start explaining. First number, if it is 2x, then second number will be 3x. Are you all understanding? 2:3. Now the problem is second to third ratio is written as 5:3. That is some 5y and 3y. It is not 5x and 3x. Don't write like that. That is wrong. Now the easy way is you can make this 3x and 5y equal. 3x and 5y equal. How you can make 3x and 5y equal? Different ways are there. You can just multiply this by 5 and this by 3. 2x is to 3x can also be written as 10x is to 15x. Now, are you all understanding 10x is to 15x? Because 10x by 15x is going to be 2 by 3 itself. And this can also be written as, one second. Okay, it is better to avoid unknowns more. So I'll do one thing. I'll give you a better perspective. So 2x and 3x you took first term and second term. So second term and third term is following 5 and 3. So take this 3x itself. That is better. So take this 3x itself and you can say 3x if that is the third term, 5 times 3x if it is the third term, 3 times 3x will be the third term. If second term is 5 times 3x, third term will be 3 times 3x. Did you all understand that logic? I am trying to skip writing two separate equations and solve. That is why I am doing it in one go. I will explain one more time if you have doubt. But if you have doubt, please mention it in the chat. Then only I will know that there is doubt. I am considering 2x and 3x as the first two numbers because 2:3 ratio is satisfied for 2x and 3x. And then second and third number I can consider 5:3 ratio. I already take second term as 3x. So 5 times 3x if it is a second term, 3 times 3x will be the third term, we can say. Now everything is in terms of x itself. Now we can form, we need to find only this 3x. One second. Okay, I'll do one thing. First I will do the elimination method. This method is taking more time and I'm getting confused in between. Let's go with the elimination method itself. That will be much faster. Listen carefully. If option A is the answer, second number will be 30. Na? If second number is 30, what will be the first number? First number will be 20. But that should satisfy this condition also. If that is 30, if 30 is 5 times a number, can you find the 3 times of that number? 30 by 5, 6 into 3, 18 should be that number. So that 30 by 18 is satisfying 5 by 3 ratio if you cancel by 6. But the problem with this example is, then the numbers are 20, 30 and 18. 20, 30, 18 added, you will not get 102. That is a problem. 20, 30, 18 you will not get 102. So option A is eliminated. Same way try option B. You will get the answer very fast. Direct method will be a little confusing. I will explain direct also. First we will go with the elimination itself. If B is 45, what you can say, B is 45, then what is the meaning? Second number is 45. That means 3 times a number is 45. Then what is 2 times of that number? The number will be 15 then. Na? 3 times of 15 is 45. So 2 times of 15 will be 30. You are trial and erroring actually. So 30 and 45 will be the two numbers. Now the thing is that you need to arrange this 45 and the third number such a way that they will follow 5:3 ratio. We know that second number is 45 already. Then that is 5 times of a number. 5 times of what is 45? 5 times of 9 is 45. So definitely 3 times of 9 is 27. If option B is the answer, that set of values will be 30, 45, 27. See whether they will add up to 102. If they are adding up to 102, it is totally right. Did you all understood this? And it is adding up to 102. That is why this is the answer. Elimination is much faster here. Direct method also will work, but I got confused in between when I started with direct method. So is this clear to all of you, the elimination method? I will suggest you, if you have doubt, try with option C and D also. Yes, Priyanka, that is what I told. Direct method is definitely possible. I will come to that. One second, let me go through all the comments. Yes, Swagata, I will come to that. Is this clear to all of you, elimination? Yes, Sampriti, that way also you can interpret. Very good. But still 2 options are there, that's the only problem. Here, look at this. As this is 2:3 and 5:3, we can say second number should be a multiple of 3 and multiple of 5. Multiple of 5 is not satisfied in these 2 options. That is why C and D options will not work at all. But still A and B options are there that you can eliminate by what I have told you now. Okay, let me try one more time the direct method. Let us try the direct method once more. So let 2x be the first number, or let us go with let 2x be the first number, 3x be the second number. Then this 3x should be a multiple of 5. That way you can combine direct method and elimination method actually. 3x should be a multiple of 5 also. Then this should be 3y, 5y and 3y. So you can form equations. This 3x and 5y should be equal, na? That idea you can keep and then form the equations. Then 2x plus 3x plus 3y equal to 102, and then 2x plus 5y plus 3y is equal to 102. I think solving these two equations you can get the answer. But definitely that is little time consuming. I will suggest you go for the elimination method, which is much faster than direct method. The computation will be more in the direct method here, but still answer you can get for sure. So anyway, let's go to the next question. Can you try the next question? Another number related problem. Yes, Prinsu, this lecture is equally useful for life science, mathematical science, chemical science, physical science and earth science aspirants. So try this. Very good. Some of you already got the correct answer. This is a simple question if you use the right method. Okay, so this question again you can use the options well to do this question faster. First of all, if you write the prime factorization of these numbers, 3 is 3 itself, 3 is 3 itself, 4 is 2 square, 5 is 5 itself, 6 is 2 into 3, 8 is 2 cube. This 2 cube, if 8 is the least perfect square which is divisible by 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 means 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 should be factors. First of all, if 8 is a factor, 4 automatically will be a factor because 4 is just 1, 2 lesser than 8 na, in the product. And if 6 is a factor, obviously 3 will be a factor because 3 is already a factor of 6. So this 3 and 4 you don't have to worry about. You only have to think about 5, 6 and 8. Did you all understood that first? 5, 6 and 8 factors should be factor of the perfect square. Now the perfect square is asked. First of all, 1200 is not a perfect square. 900, 2500, 3600 are perfect squares. But 1200 is not a perfect square. So 1200 can be eliminated on the first place. 900, if you factorize it, you will get 3 square into 10 square or 3 square into 2 square into 5 square. Prime factorization. The problem is you need a 2 cube. You are not getting a 2 cube from this. 2 cube should be there now for this to be a factor. So definitely option A can be eliminated. Did you understand? 2500 is 5 into 5, 25 into 100. 100 is 10 into 10, that is 5 into 5 into 2 into 2. That is 5 raised to 4 into 2 raised to 2. 5 raised to 4 into 2 raised to 2. The problem is you cannot get a 3 from this. You need a 3 for getting 6 as a factor. So option C is also eliminated. As A, B, C are eliminated, 3600 should be the answer. 3600 if you list out, 3600 if you factorize, you will get 36 is 2 into 3 the whole square, that is 2 raised to 4 into 3 square into 5 raised to 2. Definitely 2 cube is satisfied, 2 into 3 is satisfied, 5 is also satisfied. So option D is clearly the answer. Is that clear to all of you? Yes, you can use a test of divisibility also. But test of divisibility for each of the numbers may take more time. That is why I tried to prime factorize it. Sum of digits should be a multiple of 3 for the number to be multiple of 3. That is failing in option C. That is why option C can be eliminated. That is correct, Sampriti. Did you all understood this? There are different ways to do the same question. I just told one of the ways. So anyway, if that is clear, let's go to the next question. A work and time problem. Why not B? Priyanka, B is not a perfect square. It should be a perfect square, na? Perfect square means square is square of a natural number. 1200 is not a square of a natural number. So try this. So happy to see an active discussion in the chat. Keep it up and try to help each other so that it will be useful for all of you. Because when you try to explain to others, you will learn more and you will think the different perspectives. All of you who are doing, keep it up. Any answers? Few of you got the answers. Okay, I think many of you are not clear about work and time and pipeline system problems. So I'll explain little in detail how to approach these questions. Okay, two pipes A and B can fill a tank in 24 minutes and 32 minutes respectively. If both the pipes are opened simultaneously, after how much time should B be closed so that the tank is full in 18 minutes? So work and time problem, one good method is unitary method, another method is LCM method, another method is efficiency method. So I will go with unitary method. Let total work be 1. Total work is, work means filling the tank. If total work is 1, A and B can fill in 24 minutes and 32 minutes means 1 minute work you can think about. Those of you attended my morning plus course today, there was a question, 1 week work related question was there, which we discussed in today morning GATE PYQ course. There we considered 1 week because everything was in weeks. But here everything is in minutes, so you need to convert it into minutes only. That means 1 minute work will be 1 by 24 for A, and for B it will be 1 by 32. Is that clear? One by 24 and 1 by 32 is the 1 minute work. Now if both the pipes are opened simultaneously, after how much time should B be closed so that the tank is full in 18 minutes? So that means the question is saying that for some time A and B will work together. So let us consider A and B's together work. If they work together in 1 minute, how much work they will do? 1 by 24 plus 1 by 32. If you simplify it, you will get LCM will be 144. Sorry, 3 will be common factor, 8 will be common factor, and it will be 3 and 4. So 8 into 3 into 4, it will be, sorry, 96 will be common factor. 96 will be the LCM. That is 4 times, and this is 3 times. This is 7 by 96 will be the 1 minute work of A and B together. 1 minute work of A and B together is 7 by 96. So how much time B, so the question is saying that for some time, let X be the time they work together. X be the time they work together. X minutes they work together. That means X into 7 by 96 will be the work done by them in that X minutes. And in the remaining time only B worked. Remaining time will be what? 18 minus X. Are you all understanding? Because total time taken is 18. In that X minutes A only worked. Sorry, A and B worked. Remaining 18 minus X minutes, B only worked. Sorry, A only worked. Sorry. How much time should B be closed is the question. That means X is what you need to find. A alone working is for remaining 18 minus X minutes, because 18 minutes they are completing the work. So 18 minus X minutes, only A is working. So 1 by 24 is the work done by A for 18 minus X minutes. Adding this up, you should get 1 now. So this is the equation you can form, and then solve this equation, you can get the answer. And for solving, if it is difficult for solving it separately, you can substitute option and see which option is satisfying. If option A is substituted in the equation, you will get 8 into 7 by 96. 8 into 7 by 96 is 12 into 7 plus 10 by 24. 10 by 20, 1 second. Okay, you can check which value will give you 1. You can try. I think elimination also will be time consuming. So solving itself is fine. You can solve it from here itself. Let's see. If you take 96 as the LCM, 7x plus you multiplied it by 4. So 4 into 18. 4 into 18 will be 36. 72 minus 4x equal to 1. Cross multiplying, you will get 3x plus 72 equal to 96. 3x equal to 96 minus 72, that is 24. X is equal to 24 by 3, 8. You will get option A itself as the correct answer. Did you all understood this? Please mention. I agree that if you are not very familiar with pipe and cistern and work and time problem, it takes some time to understand this. Practice more question, definitely you will understand all the type of problem from this chapter. So 1 minute work we are finding. Pushpendra, other methods are there, but other methods take little more time to understand. LCM method may be a better method here. LCM method is find the LCM of 24 minute and 32 minute. Consider that as the full work instead of 1 as the full work. 24 and 32 are the two time here given here. Take the LCM of that. Let 96 be the full work. With respect to that, if you analyze, it will be faster. But if you are only familiar with LCM method, try that. Because otherwise you can have chances to make it wrong. If you are confident, that will help you to save more time here. Okay, last step Jahir is asking. Last step is X minutes is the time when B is closed. That means X minutes they have worked together. They have worked together X minutes. After that B is closed. Then only A is working. Only A is working. Question is asking when should B be closed? That means how much time A and B worked together. So I am assuming let X be the time for which A and B worked together. Together worked time. If together worked time is X, together they do work, how much work they will do? 7 by 96 of the total work. So 7 by 96 into X will be the total work done by them in that X minutes. Out of 18 minutes, X minutes already they work. So how much minutes are remaining? 18 minus X minutes are remaining. In that 18 minus X minutes, only A is working because B is closed. So only A is working. That means 1 by 24 is the work done by A in 1 minute. So 18 minus X minutes, 18 minus X into 1 by 24. These two work, A and B's together work and A's work together should complete the total work 1. So we are equating it and solving it to find the value of X. X is the time for which A and B together work. And that is also the time when B is closed, because after that only A is working. Okay, let me just see. I'll just give you an idea for those people who want the LCM approach here. LCM approach is don't take total work as 1. This is the second method I'm explaining. Listen carefully. So total work, take it as the LCM of 24 and 32. 24 and 32's LCM is 96. Let 96 be the total work. 96 whatever unit, don't worry about the units. You can express it in any unit of work. That does not matter because it's a comparison method only. So 96 be the total work. So A will do how much work? One second. A will do how much work in so A can finish the work in 24 minutes. A will do in 1 minute 1 by 24th of the full work 96. That means 4 work A will do. And B will do how much work? 1 by 32 of the full work 96. That means 3 work B will do. Now the fractions are avoided. That is a very good thing about the LCM approach. Now do the same. That A is doing 4 work in a minute. B is doing 3 work in a minute. If total work is 96. If total work is 96, A is doing 4 work in 1 minute. B is doing 3 work in 1 minute. So X minute they work together. So they work together means 4 plus 3 they do work. And the remaining 18 minus X minutes only A worked. That means only 4 work per minute. Adding this up you should get 96. Solve this, then also you will get the same answer. This looks faster, but only if you are confident, try this method. Because some variations will be there in some complicated question. This question is easy, that is why I hope this method is also you can do. 4x plus 3x. Sorry, not 4x, you can just write 7x, don't write extra steps. 4 plus 3, 7x. So 7x plus 18, 36, 72 minus 4x equal to 96. 96 taken to the other side, 3x equal to 24, x equal to 4. Sorry, x equal to 8. This is called LCM method of work and time problem. First one is called unitary method. Second one is called LCM method. Practice more and more question. That is very important. Is this also clear? LCM method. Actually, both the methods are same. In LCM method, this fractions are avoided. That is why it looks simpler. Why 18 minus x multiplied by 3? Not multiplied by 3, Priyanka, multiplied by 4. Because only A is working in the remaining time. What is the remaining time? 18 minus x. Why? Because we are considering, let x be the time in which A and B are working together, or other words, x is the time when B is stopping the work, B is closed. So these are the two methods. I hope those of you who asked me for better method, that is why I gave you the second method. I know that took a lot of time to explain both the methods. We'll go for another question. Yeah, this is one of the simplest question asked. Just checking whether you know the fractions, proper, mixed, improper fractions. Try this. Reminding all of you, tomorrow's class will not be in YouTube channel. Tomorrow's class will be in the Unacademy special class. We will continue the series in the Unacademy special classes. Tomorrow's timing will not be 11 AM. Tomorrow's timing will be 6 PM. 6 PM we will discuss in the Unacademy special class platform. Download the mobile application Unacademy and search my name and follow my page so that you will get the update. Whenever I go for a live class, you will be updated by Unacademy if you follow the page. And all those classes are completely free. Only plus and iconic classes are paid classes. Special classes means it's completely free classes. And all the previous classes are also freely available for you to watch the recording of. So try the platform if you haven't tried till now. Some of you got the answer already. Okay, so I'll explain. Sum of a number and its reciprocal. So x plus 1 by x equal to 2 and 1 by 20. 2 and 1 by 20 means this is a mixed fraction. If you convert it into improper fraction, 2 into 20, 2 and 1 by 20 means 2 quotient and 1 remainder out of when you divide by 20. That means it is 2 into 20, 40, 40 plus 1, 41 by 20. So x plus 1 by x equal to 41 by 20. That is the meaning of the question. You can try each option and see which option satisfies it. Or you can form a quadratic and solve, but that will be more time consuming. Substituting options is better. 3 by 4, if you substitute 3 by 4 plus 1 by 3 by 4. 1 by 3 by 4 means 4 by 3. Is it adding up to 41 by 20? Let us check. That is 12. Cross multiplying, you will get 9 plus 16. 9 plus 16 by 12, that is 25 by 12, not equal to 41 by 20. So option A is eliminated. Try the same on option B. Is it adding up to 41 by 20? Let us check. 5 by 4 plus reciprocal of 5 by 4 is 4 by 5. Cross multiplying, you will get 25 plus 16, 41 by 20. Exactly. It is 41 by 20, so option B is the answer. Is this clear to all of you? Please respond. Straightforward question only, checking your very basic math knowledge. So then try one more work and time problem. Pipe and cistern and work and time are same only. The only difference is pipe and cistern, the work is specified as filling or emptying the tank, and sometimes negative work can also come if emptying is considered, if filling is considered positive, emptying will be negative. But this is really getting, yes, Sukhmanpreet, 4 into 5 we are doing. So try this. Pushpendra, in set exam, I think, yeah, 1/3 will be negative, I guess. All the states follow the same negative marking pattern, I don't know. But as my knowledge, I think it is 1/3 negative. Like if it is 1 mark for a correct answer, 1/3 of 1 mark, 0.33 mark negative. If anyone know more about it, please comment in the chat. How much is the negative marking? Any answers for this? Okay, Patil is saying K set does not have negative. Okay, Pushpendra. Then I think again, I am not very sure about which all states have negative marking. I think most states now don't have negative marking. Okay, I will explain. Person A can complete a work in 10 hours and B can complete it in 5 hours. So you can do the unitary approach itself. 1 hour work of A and B you write down. 1 hour work of A will be 1 by 10. 1 hour work of B will be 1 by 5. Is that clear? 1 hour work of A and B. And 1 hour work of A and B together, if you want, you can write 1 by 10 plus 1 by 5. That is 1 by 10 plus 2 by 10, 3 by 10. 3 by 10 is the 1 hour work. Now what happened? There are different ways to approach this. Both started working together, but A left after working for 1 hour. That means first hour both people were working. That means 3 by 10 is the contribution of A and B together. A and B together. And B finished all the remaining work alone. So let X be the remaining hours B worked. Or if you consider total hours is X, X minus 1 you can take. It is up to you how you form the equation. So X be the hours B is working alone. B is working alone. 1 by 5 is the efficiency of B. So X by 5 will be this is the first hour work. This is the remaining hours work. Because in remaining hours only B was involved. In the first hour A and B both were involved. Adding it up you should get total work 1. Because we considered let total work be 1. So simplify this to get the value of X. So 3 by 10 plus 2x by 10 equal to 1 you can write. That is 3 plus 2x equal to 10, 2x equal to 7, x is equal to 3.5. X is 3.5 hours, but now read the question very carefully. Question is not asking remaining time. Question is asking how much time the entire work was completed by B. So the question is asking total time B was working. With A also B worked, with B also A worked. Sorry, with A also B worked, alone also B worked. So definitely 3.5 is the time B worked alone. The first hour also should be considered. So 3.5 plus 1, 4.5 is the answer. Did you all understood? Not option B, option C is the correct answer. Option B is the answer if the question is asking how much time B worked alone. Or how much remaining time B worked. But here it is asking how much time the entire work was completed by B. That means initially B got help from A for 1 hour. Then B worked alone. Both the time together is asked. I agree that the last sentence is little ambiguous. But definitely 4.5 makes more sense than 3.5 in this. With respect to that sentence structure, 4.5 should be the answer. I agree that it should have been little more cleared how much time the entire work, total time taken by A and B in this pattern. That way if it was asked, it was little more clear. But we cannot expect CSIR or SET or GATE exams to be that obvious. That is why 3.5 and 4.5 both will be there in the answer options. So I hope this is clear. I will go for a simple question now because I want to finish by one question. Let me check. Yeah, look at this. This is what Pratik sent to me. These questions were repeated in 2 sets of question paper. We discussed this already yesterday. That's why I'm not repeating it. We'll discuss that in another class more about the repeated questions and all. Yeah, try this. This is an easier question. This was asked in DBT also, if I remember right. A very similar question to this. How many questions did we discuss today? Anyone noted? This series is, I am planning to discuss 50 most important types of questions so that you get all the different types of question understanding. But if more people are interested and if you suggest, definitely I will extend these lectures for 100 questions or 150 questions. But more people should be there in the upcoming classes. If so, definitely we can try to extend the series. Okay, 9 questions already. Thank you, Sampriti. So this will be the 10th question then, right? Okay, so try this. This is 10th. Okay. Yeah, I was planning to cover at least 10 questions daily, so that 5 lectures we can cover this 50 questions. All of you try this. Okay, so many of you got it right. It's a simple question, right? Okay, some of you got a different answer. We'll explain anyway. If a triangle is called a circle, so triangle is coded as circle. It's kind of a coding decoding problem itself. Triangle is a circle, sorry, rectangle is a circle. Circle is called a circle by a point by a triangle by a square. The shape of a wheel is, first of all, shape of a wheel is a circle. And circle is called as what? Point. So definitely point is the answer. Yeah, most of you got option C. Very good. So that's a very simple question. Is this clear to all of you? So that is how option C is the answer. So I think we can conclude by this. I'll give you 1 or 2 homework questions. Try this question. Try this question as homework. If you want to try it now, you can try it now. So hope all of you like this lecture. If you want to see more free classes like this, check out my profile in Unacademy and follow that page so that you will not miss any of the previous classes or the update of the upcoming classes. All will be visible for you if you follow the page. In the website also you can get the same. Either download the mobile application, or if you are browsing in a laptop, you can check out the website unacademy.com and check the CSIR-UGC NET category, because that is where I teach. Even if you want set exam questions discussion of mine, the category is CSIR itself, and even GATE aptitude questions I have discussed there. DBT aptitude questions I have discussed there. Vedic math courses I have given there. All those you can access completely free. But a more structured platform, if you want to access, you can be part of the Plus platform or Iconic platform and get more ordered and syllabus covering courses. And as I told before, Unacademy is giving you a special offer for these 4 days, where you can get 25% off by using the referral code CC10 and CC10 live. Normally it is 10% off, but these 4 days there is a almost 25. It's a successive discount, so it will be little less than 25. But anyway, for 6 month, 12 month and 24 month subscription, these 4 days you will get 10% off plus 25%, 15% off. That means, and note down this discount for getting discount code for getting this offer. CC10 is the referral code for that. So, and these are the current courses, and 24th onwards we are starting a new GATE course. 29th onwards we are starting a new complete course for General Aptitude. So if you take Plus subscription now also, you can access that courses. You can access not only my courses, you can access all the courses of all the educators, whether it is subject or General Aptitude. All the courses will be available for you by a single subscription of Plus with the referral code CC10 live or CC10, both are applicable. So if there is any other doubts, you can ask, or if you want to attend the free classes, if you are not able to attend or not able to take Plus subscription also, it's okay. You can still attend the special classes. The special classes will be completely free, and this is how you can access. If you visit the website or the mobile application, you will see a screen. You can choose the category you want, and you can just search the educator you want to follow. For example, if you want to follow my page, this is the name of my profile, and you can click on the follow button and then click on the profile. Then you will get all the updates of my upcoming classes and all the previous classes. You can see these logged courses are Plus courses. If you want the special classes, go through the special classes and click on see all option, and you can see all the previous classes. And if you want to see the upcoming classes, this is how you can see the ongoing or upcoming classes. If you click on the upcoming class, you can see the tomorrow's lecture. Tomorrow 6 PM will be the free class in the Unacademy special class platform, and you can click on the notify me option if Unacademy, if you want Unacademy to notify you before the lecture. Just like this YouTube live, we are discussing more questions of set General Aptitude in the tomorrow 6 PM YouTube live. And please invite more of your friends to this lecture also. If you click on the share button, you can copy this and share it with any of your friends. So that is the information about the upcoming Plus classes. And if you want to know how to be part of the Plus platform instead of the special class platform, you can click on the get subscription option. Click on it and go for the subscription if you are interested in that. Plus and Iconic are two different packages. In the Iconic package, there is some extra benefits that if you want, you can go for it. For example, if you are going for a 6-month subscription, you have to use the referral code CC10 live or CC10 here. If you click on apply, the price will automatically reduce, and then you have to just proceed to pay and then use this credit option. This will give you more discount. If you click on the redeem option for the credits, that will again reduce your subscription charges, and that is how you can take plus subscription also. So that's it. Hope all of you like this lecture. If you like this lecture, share this video to all your friends and let me know what you felt about the lecture in the comment section, and you can hit the like button if you like the lecture. Thank you all. Take care all of you. Have a good day. Bye bye.